If you're seeing the Opera ERR blocked by client error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when Opera, an ad blocker, a privacy extension, or even cached browsing data blocks part of a website from loading properly. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Opera and look for the easy setup icon in the top right corner of the browser. Click it to open the quick settings panel. Now scroll down until you find the privacy options. In this section, you'll usually see settings like block ads and block trackers for the current site. Turn those off temporarily for the website that is giving you the error. This is important because Opera's built-in privacy tools can sometimes block scripts, images, or page elements that the site needs in order to load. After turning those options off, refresh the page and check whether the content now appears correctly. If the site loads, then you found the cause and the issue was being blocked by Opera's own protections. If the page is still broken, the next step is to check your extensions. Open the extensions page in Opera and look for anything related to ad blocking, privacy protection, anti-tracking, script blocking, or website filtering. Toggle off your ad blockers and privacy extensions one by one, or disable them all temporarily for testing. Then go back to the broken page and refresh it again. If the website works after disabling an extension, that means one of those add-ons is causing the ERR blocked by client message. You can then leave that extension off for that site, adjust its whitelist settings, or remove it if you no longer need it. If the page still doesn't load, the next test is to open a private window. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard to open a new private browsing window in Opera. Once that window opens, type the website URL manually and try loading the page again. Private browsing is useful because it helps rule out cached data, cookies, or extension-related issues that might be affecting the normal browser window. If the site works in private window, that is a strong sign that either your browser cache or one of your extensions is causing the block. In that case, you may want to clear your cache, disable suspicious extensions, or review your site permissions. If you've gone through these steps and the page still fails, the issue may be site-specific or related to a stricter content rule in your browser settings. But in most situations, one of these three fixes will solve the Opera ERR blocked by client error quickly. So to recap, first turn off block ads and block trackers for the current site, then disable ad blockers and privacy extensions, and finally test the page in a private window. These steps help you isolate exactly what is blocking the page and get the website loading again. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.